Ready to go Florida?
What's up?
Y'all ready?
We ready, boy. We're ready.
We are heading out to Cleetus and Cars. We're gonna be going to Florida. I've never been. Dan, you've been to Florida?
Yeah, like 15 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this should be pretty exciting. I think he was out there maybe like a year ago.
I've been to Florida
So
a few times.
we're actually taking, this is Trevor's truck. Motion Auto at Motion Auto TV. Got his Crown Vic in the back. It kind of worked out good. We were gonna rent a car. Instead, Trevor was like, well, here, I want to get my car down there. And then it works out good too because Roman needs to ride back up. Yeah, it works out good for him. And we still we're helping him out a little bit. And then we're also still, I mean, it's a nice truck and we don't have to pay for the rental and we only have to pay diesel one way down. So it should still be a really nice trip. Hopefully we don't hit no weather or anything like that. We're doing a road trip just because I've never been through that way and it'd be kind of cool to go through Tennessee and all the other states. So just gonna start a little vlog of day one. Should be a pretty fun little event. Made our Walmart stop. These dudes got some Little Debbie's.
Fuck yeah, bro. We
got some French onion dip.
Y'all ever had spin wheels? These things are dank, dude. And French onion, we got the ruffles down there, party size.
Oh my goodness.
We're ready for this trip, baby.
Y'all are ridiculous. All I got was a pillow.
He's the real witness here.
Alrighty, let's go, baby.
Let's hit it. To Nashville or to what?
To Nashville. Dang, dude, didn't even know we passed St. Louis.
Oh yeah, bro, we went flying by that. You were sacked out in the backseat.
This dude drove. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now.
It ain't 3, it's 3:40 in the morning. And I'm fucking tired.
Okay, it's 3:40 in the morning. I've been sleeping so I could drive. I was supposed to be driving like a couple hours ago. Yeah. And he just drove straight through St. Louis.
I'd pay you back since I didn't drive much in Texas.
Yeah, because Texas I drove like almost like 20 hours.
Yeah.
But
whatever.
We're past St. Louis. We're 2 hours from Jackson, Tennessee.
We're 3 hours.
3 hours from Jackson, Tennessee?
Yeah.
So we're gonna stop. I'm gonna see my grandma. I haven't seen her in quite some time, so we're gonna go get some breakfast. Go get some breakfast. And then after that, we're gonna be headed to Nashville and then just straight to Florida. So it should be pretty cool. Next stop, Jackson, then Nashville, then Florida.
No, we're not going to Nashville. Probably not.
We're basically going to Nashville.
No, we're not. You go around Nashville.
Fuck you.
Dumbass.
We're basically going to Nashville.
I'm ready for bed, bro. I'm going to sleep. I can't handle you right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some diesel and then go get some coffee and some sunflower seeds and then we're gonna continue driving.
See you later, fuckers.
Night night, Felicia. So we made it. It is Tuesday. We're out here like a private little track rental thing where Cleetus and Cars happened. Thank you guys for coming out. It's nice meeting everybody who came up and said hi. Definitely gonna have to bring the RX-7 out next year for this event. Had a lot of you guys asking about it. Just a little update on the RX-7 too. I did get all the parts ordered minus some tires. Trying to find some used ones just so that way the new skinnies up front don't sit all winter and get all nasty and dry rotted. So I think I'm just gonna end up ordering new ones though because I can't seem to find any used 24-inch skinnies. Gonna go ahead, Roman's out here, Kyle's out here, Brent's out here with the bully. It's gonna be a cool day. Not gonna film everything, just gonna film a little clips to show you guys. Just a little update video talking about our trip to Florida. Really nice out here. Snowed in Colorado about 14 inches today and yesterday. So going back home a little late. Was a really cool experience helping them with everything. Got to see their carts rip. Gonna go ahead and Roman's getting ready to run. Brent's gonna run the bully too. Show you guys some clips of that here in just a second.
What's up, bitch?
Can't stop to take that switch off.
It's 1 o'clock. Don't look at me.
Ready? Yeah.
Judge me.
I'm gonna go left lane.
Better than Cleetus and Cars. It would have been 9 a.m. we're doing this.
That's true.
Don't judge me.
How you like Florida?
Dude, I love it here. I'm gonna
It's
move.
beautiful.
Yep.
I like it here this time of year.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move down here. I'm gonna have a winter home here. For
Winter home.
sure.
Some snowbirds.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Down.
Down AF too, bro.
Down some rubber on the right, then I'll be able to.
Oh, 159. 945.
We'll get it again.
Woo! She is 139. Lemonade at 139.
Hey, buddy.
Holy crap. Good Lord. 11.7 at 126.
I love it. You know, oh, you guys are on
10.0 at 152. 152. Good Lord.
crap.
Woo. Six at 139. Holy shit. Damn.
Good, dude.
Third pass in the car. Third pass in the car. That's that 8-second pass. That's it. What? No times. Oh, I'm sure it printed out. Is it it? That has to be it. 8-9. Oh! Oh, I knew it.
I think it was like a 940.
940.
I think that's what it was, if I remember right.
Yeah, the time didn't show.
Yeah, it didn't show up on the thing.
Oh, it's all good. I'm happy regardless.
Who
man.
got rum and slip? So
It went fast, dude.
Who
Like,
got rum and slip?
Yeah, it feel fast?
yeah, it felt good, dude. I don't know.
Oh, we didn't care about it. So we didn't.
What to do? Yes! Yes!
On our way, dog.
Whoa! 465 in the 60!
Bro.
Whoa!
Dude.
Oh yes.
Thank you guys, everybody, man!
This whole weekend, dude.
Come in here.
It's been a fight,
Come
dude.
in. Come in. Fucking
Bro, all that work, dude.
That high five, dude.
fuck, man.
Pulling the pan, checking the bearings, checking everything.
Yeah, dude,
All
I
that,
pulled
bro.
the thing apart. Like, I forgot to change my oil. Catch can again, it plowed oil everywhere. Man.
Hell yeah, dude. Congrats.
Bro, thank you.
Motor sounds hurt. Motor sounds hurt. Six at 149. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. 9.6 at 149. Hell yeah. You get that last Dr. Pepper or what? I heard that little bit of excitement you got.
There's a Dr. Pepper in there, you could have it. She didn't think there was one, but there was. I was like, yeah. I mean, it's small, but it'll do the trick.
Anyways, we're heading out, guys. Just wanted to share that little bit of video stuff with you guys, mainly getting that footage for Kyle and Brent and all of them. So it was a fun ass time. Next year, come down with the RX-7, have some fun. Maybe even come down before November next year and come in the springtime when they have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna head home. It's gonna be a fun drive. Got Roman bumming back with us on the way home. Hopefully the roads aren't too bad. Anyways, guys, got everything coming for the RX-7, so gonna hit it hard in December and get the car done for you guys. and I hope you guys are excited for it. Till then, we'll see you in the next one.